Hey there! Welcome to Effect's Guide to Digital Marketing Success. If you're looking to elevate your business, reach more customers, and boost conversions, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through the essential digital marketing steps that can help transform your online presence. Let's dive in and make your business shine. First things first, know your audience. Without a clear understanding of who you're marketing to, your efforts can go to waste. Analyze demographics, behaviors, and preferences to shape a strategy that speaks to them. You want to know their challenges, needs, and what makes them tick. Once you understand your audience, you can create content and campaigns that resonate with them on a personal level. Next up, let's talk about content. Quality content is king. Blogs, videos, and social media posts don't just fill space. They build trust, engage customers, and drive conversions. Your content should inform, entertain, or solve a problem. When you become a go-to source of knowledge, customers remember you. Make sure each piece of content adds real value. Now, let's unlock the power of SEO. SEO is what helps customers find you online. By using relevant keywords, optimizing your website, and building quality backlinks, you increase your chances of ranking higher on search engines. With more visibility, you attract more organic traffic, meaning people come to you without paid ads. And remember, SEO is an ongoing process. Keep fine-tuning to stay ahead of the competition. While organic reach is great, sometimes you need a little extra push. Enter pay-per-click, or PPC advertising. PPC campaigns give you the power to reach the right audience faster. With carefully targeted ads, you pay only when someone clicks, making it a budget-friendly option. But remember, the key to success in PPC is targeting. Make sure your ads appear in front of people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. Now that people are visiting your site, the goal is to turn those visitors into customers. That's where conversion rate optimization, or CRO, comes in. This means optimizing your website layout, creating clear call-to-action buttons, and ensuring a smooth user experience. Think of CRO as fine-tuning your website so visitors are encouraged to take action, whether it's signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase. Email marketing is a powerful tool for staying connected. With personalized, targeted emails, you can build relationships and nurture leads over time. Start by segmenting your email list to ensure each message resonates with its audience. Send newsletters, special offers, and updates to keep your brand top of mind. Remember, people are more likely to buy from brands they feel connected to. Last, but definitely not least, always keep an eye on your results. Digital marketing is a journey, and data is your roadmap. Track performance, measure key metrics, and make adjustments along the way. What worked yesterday might need tweaking tomorrow. With continuous improvement, you ensure your marketing strategy stays effective and adaptable. And there you have it, a roadmap to digital marketing success. Remember, from understanding your audience to optimizing your website, each step brings you closer to your goals. If you're ready to transform your digital presence, Effeect Agency is here to help. Book a free consultation and let's get started on growing your business.